Hey guys, I'm Ralph from Laniers Mission Shore once again. Leaving the station, next stop, where we are stopping in about 20 minutes, so. Ford plant, look at that. Ford way down there. Ford manufacturing plant. Look at that. Big Blue Bridge, I was talking about. We're going right over it right now. Pretty cool. In Chicago, this is where they are. Remember Big Blue Bridge. Ford, that's awesome. That's awesome, look at that. Stop coming up here. Okay. All the cars way down there. All parked, brand new cars, not even shipped out yet. It's insane.
Look at here. Come on.
Old trestle there. Old Conrail, look at that. Old Conrail. It's awesome. Very old Conrail. Look them out, that's awesome. Some freight cars and a motor. Bunch of other stuff. Is our stop right there? Okay. More cars right there. Beyond South Florida cars. The next. It's rain. It's pretty cool. Look at all those rip ties back there. That's awesome. Lots of water down there. Those algae colored water. It's old cement bin right there. That's pretty cool. Still use it too. Maybe. Start stop? No. Next. Next up. Metro. Old tower coming up right now, guys. Passing right by the old, what do they call it? Interlaken Tower. Look at that. Old Interlaken. Look at that. Owned by Metro. It's fortunately gonna be torn down in a couple of years. I think end of this year it'll be torn down. So it's unfortunate. But at least I saw it. Slow ride. Look at this old signal there. It's pretty different. We used it. It's pretty cool. Gypsy Moth stuff right there. There's plastic. It looked like knitted. I guess not. What? Oh yeah. Where they were still restoring that old building there. That's awesome. Oh my. Pretty cool. Wind turbine down there. Not working, but it's was at one time. spur right there. That's pretty cool. I don't think they use it. It looks pretty rusty.
You guys are lucky you got a dad that has one of the beaches.
We're Searchlight. It's pretty cool.
What?
Okay, guys.
12 now.
Should be getting close. Beans that popper. That's different.
Do I own anything
Should be getting our station here in a little bit. And we'll film more videos once we
What's this?
make this all in one video. So maybe a 20-minute video, maybe 15. So,
Remember when my grandpa was like 12?
still not quite there yet. Be honking. Oh, it's riptides. That's insane. Oh, it's ties. But they don't have any room to throw the ties away. Just leave them outside the railroad. It's different. Here's your part 2, Real Fin Landing out. What's up, we're back in big guys. I'm Real Fin Landing. Once again, South Shore line, just about to get into our stop here shortly, I assume. Our next station stop. Here we go. We're on South Shore train right now.
You gonna put it up there? Thank you. Yeah, it's hard. I have a barrier like, I mean, sticker. Thank you, buddy.
Metro truck once again.
Oh, you got your own seat?
Oh, I think it's our stop.
You guys messed my hair up.
Coming up here or no?
My hair still look cool?
Okay. Ding, that's odd. Ding, there's another train. I'm seeing it. Oh, Metro. Yeah, Metro right there. Pretty cool. Metro truck. Pretty cool. 67th Street. In there.
We're gonna turn the seat. Look at, you can see the Sears Tower. Look at,
66th Street. Bunch of Metro trucks.
see
Yeah.
the big black building with two big pointy things on the top? You'll see it. Thank you.
67th again.
You'll see it.
Look at that. Football stadium. Where is that? Yeah, football stadium.
There it is.
Sorry.
The tallest building in Western.
Outpost 8. Square Outpost 8. Oh, it's past us. On that one.
Our next stop is 55th, 56th, 57th Hyde Park. 55th, 56th, 57th Hyde Park is next.
So stop, Real Fin Landing out.
Once again, 57th Hyde Park is next.